This is our production factory, covering an area of over 30,000 square meters, with over 50 automated production equipment. There are dozens of production areas in the workshop: welding area, final assembly area, display area, sheet cutting area. In the laser cutting area, engineers import the designed CAD drawings into the CN system of the cutting machine. It all determines the perfect connection of subsequent processes. This is the sheet metal area. The cut flat steel plate through the rolling machine. It is rolled many times to form a cylindrical barrel body. This is the polishing area. Workers use professional polishing equipment to polish the inside and outside of the tank, not only for beauty, but also to eliminate hygiene dead ends, to prevent bacteria and dirt from hiding. There are also assembly and testing areas. Workers will assemble all the components together to form a complete equipment system. Then they check for leaks in all interfaces and welds, and conduct pressure testing. From a steel plate to a complete system, we master every detail. After assembly and testing, next, we will prepare for shipment. In terms of after-sales service, we promise to respond quickly within 2 hours. Within 24 hours, we will send technicians to the customer site for on-site repair.